Hey guys, it's Tyler with Ty Fishes. Today we were supposed to be rock fishing, but we weren't really catching any the past 2 days, so I got some tube jigs and I'm catching these little green sunfish. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make a video out of a couple green sunfish. We're working our way down the river and hopefully we're gonna catch some rockfish down there. Caught another little green sunfish on the white tube. I'm throwing it weightless. Okay, so holding this huge tripod, walking down to another spot. Yeah, I brought a bunch of rods today. I brought 4. Hopefully I can catch a couple more right up here. Maybe a little bit later we'll get on to some bigger fish. Okay, so I just caught a bluegill. Whoop. On the tube. Had, I don't know, you only took a couple casts. Had a largemouth, a little teeny tiny largemouth follow it, and another bluegill. This one bit it, so hopefully we'll get a few more and make a good video. Oh, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Oh, he bit the tail. Oh, he's on off. Oh, no, I can't even see it. Something's messing with it. Oh, he had it. Got him. Yellow perch. Woohoo! Jeez. This guy came up and engulfed it. Whew. Got this like 8-inch yellow perch. Well, hooked him pretty good. Had a bluegill messing with it. And this guy came up, bluegill turned off, he came up and just slammed it. Alright, got another yellow perch.
I don't know how this one popped out.
And Logan's trying to snag an inner tube. And he bent his hook straight on a plant.
And on a log.
And a log. Little yellow perch. Back in the water. Alright guys, just cast it out.
Oh, I'm getting hit.
Hooked up with a nice yellow perch.
Alright, keep got it.
Logan's got one. Oh God. Oh, come on now.
Ooh.
What is this? Oh, he caught the elusive American donut. Which one do you guys think is bigger? Put it in the comments below. Okay, what do we got here? Is a green sunfish. Lucas from Crocodooka. Oh God. Sorry guys. Here we go. The green sunfish. Some extreme fillet fishing. That's why I will. And we're gonna let this guy go. Catch you guys in a little bit. There's a train going by up there, right there. Get to hear that all day. Most of the time. Okay guys, so just got into the deer stand. We're up here for like a couple minutes. I'm gonna see if I can get a deer. Earlier, I only got 1 striper, a couple more yellow perch, and green sunfish. But hopefully I'll get back to you guys and I'll have a deer. Okay guys, so obviously I didn't shoot a deer. Yesterday when I was catching the fish, just using a little tube jig, 8-pound test braid, just like the latest rod I had. I want to get a lighter rod for it because it's kind of a stiff rod. What else? I want to say something else. Oh, Logan shot at a raccoon while we were fishing, or not fishing, geez, hunting on the way out, and he missed, so we had to look for his arrow for like 10 minutes. Found it, missed the raccoon, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, I need a new slogan. I don't know, something to say at the end of the video. It's getting kind of boring. I don't know, if you guys have an idea, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.